Let's go, party is going on.
Good afternoon, Stockholm. I am so much excited.
Welcome to the Magic Island.
Like to be more successful.
Easy switch from crypto to fiat to non-regulated and regulated.
Welcome to the Lydian World, the blockchain game where you can earn, learn, and have fun. 2022, the world has changed, the internet changed, and the rise of the blockchain changed the entire industry and forced us to rethink. Blockchain gaming became the day-to-day opportunity to generate income. Some chase the mining, while others are doing the trading. The pursuit of our unlimited incoming resources has begun. Whatever it takes, leaving behind the unknown and embracing the new technology, the new era, the Lydian world. Here, the unlimited income resources are waiting to be claimed, but not without our engagement. We are the driving force of the Lydian world. We are the Lydians. The strategy is entirely in our hands, and we can choose which citizenship to get in order to build a future for our beloved ones. About mining or in need of a crypto-friendly credit card, a highly active trader who needs extra guidance, a developer who wants to promote his project, or a society-educated gamer who aims to make profits out of his own NFT shop and enjoys the time gaps with the Telegram trivia. You are connecting to the Lydian world incoming resources. Every single action of more than already 350,000 citizens is distributing rewards into Lydian world. Every time a card is swiped, every time an NFT transfer is completed, while you play, even while you sleep, Lydian world rewards you. It continues with a new vision, but do you know what marks the success? Perseverance, imagining the unimagined, and above all, possessing your own piece of virtual land to transform a grand idea into a grand reality. Pick a land. Press a button. Up you go. Behold your decentralized property, built to stand the test of time. Open your own business and share it with the others. From outwards to the city center area, until zone by zone, the city is taken over by its citizens. Multiple digital businesses rise alongside. A new era of luxury, shopping arcades, medical offices. Throw open their doors to an unlimited era, the blockchain. But something is missing. The design of your building is a way to define your own business, where you can approach your own digital architect. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. After all, with the power to create and trade, whoever holds the land NFT shapes the city forever. So, what is your vision?
Excited for the future. Yes!
He's gonna change your life.
We are one. Let's go.
TSB, your 10-year anniversary. We ready?
We have the card in our hand. I'm planning to develop way many more things in the Lydian world with my team.
Thank you all for being here.
The founder, the chairman of the board, Jose!
You are the first, and our company will be the first. I'm pretty sure that many more institutions will use our technology.
You love it? I love you too! Thank you very much. Let's celebrate 10 years. Thank you.
All right, greetings, good morning, wherever you might be tuning in from. It's your brother Fard MacD, New Millennium Bankers Family, the CEO of Fard Money Network and New Millennium Bankers Family, and we're coming to you with another live episode with more information, what's going on with cryptocurrency. But today, this information is coming out of the, well, I won't say out of the White House, but this is a candidate trying to get into the White House. So we have a very important topic right here today, because Robert Kennedy Jr., United States president candidate, he holds over $250,000 worth of Bitcoin. Now, this is very significant. Remember, this is Crypto Morning, so we're going to give you the pros and the cons and why this is significant, and why, if you into politics and into voting, you might want to vote for Robert F. Kennedy Jr., right? So let's get into it, family. So before we get into it, let us go take a look at the cryptocurrency market cap. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Fard Money Network, please do so. If you're not subscribed to our team channel, New Millennium Bankers, please subscribe to that channel as well. And also follow us across all social media platforms, Fard Money Network, our New Millennium Bankers. Wherever you see one of the two, that be us. All right. So let's take a look at the cryptocurrency market cap. The cryptocurrency market cap is still at $1,180 billion in market cap. It is up 0.57% over the last day. That's an increase. Bitcoin is trading at $30,429.78. Over the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up 0.60%, but it's down nearly 2% over the last 7 days. Ethereum, the second biggest used cryptocurrency on the market due to its market cap, is trading at $1,866, and it is down 4.69% over the last 7 days. Then you got Binance. Binance is up over the last 24 hours, 1.68%. All right. Now let's go and take a look at the G999 coin. The G999 coin, according to Coin Market Cap, is down 2.30%. And remember, when we show these numbers and show these ups and downs, we just showing you these are utility coins. They fluctuate with the trading market. So when people selling, they go down. When people holding, they go up. So that's how that goes, right? So when you see a big spike, that means somebody either went in there and bought a lot of coins and they holding them, something major news came out and a lot of people went and bought a lot of these coins or whatever. But these are utility coins that we're showing. They do fluctuate with the market. So it's based on the market for its price. That don't mean value. That's why you have people like what we're about to talk about this morning holds cryptocurrency, because he understands the value. All right. So let's get into our topic today. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. toted Bitcoin, but said he wasn't an investor. Financial records show otherwise. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. lists on his June 30th financial disclosure report a brokerage account that held between $100,000 and $1 and $250,000 worth of Bitcoin. Kennedy, who is running for president, told a crowd of crypto enthusiasts in May that he was not an investor in Bitcoin. The filing does not show when the Kennedy family purchased Bitcoin and how much they may have spent on their original Bitcoin investment. Hours after publication of this story, the Kennedy campaign said that the Bitcoin investment was his wife's. Later, the campaign then said it was indeed Kennedy's investment. Robert F. Kennedy Jr., a Democratic candidate for president, stood at the world's biggest Bitcoin conference in Miami in May and told the crowd, "I am not an investor, and I am not here to give investment advice." Then he announced he would be accepting campaign donations in Bitcoin. Now, does that make any sense for him to be holding Bitcoin and saying he's not an investor? It does if you understand what Bitcoin really is. All right. Bitcoin is a medium of exchange. You can't really just invest into a medium of exchange. You exchange dollars for cryptocurrency, and not to make a profit, but to have this money safeguard from the banks. All right. Robert Kennedy Jr. is not a person that's liked by the Federal Reserve and the international bankers. If you know the history of his family, his father, and his uncle, then you would know that these people do not like him. So he might have wanted to just put some of his family wealth into something that they can have, that they couldn't get attacked. They couldn't get freed. The crypto can't get froze. That account can't get confiscated and all of that when he's finna run for president and try to shake up and make a real change in this country. Now, I'm not a politician. I'm not going to vote either way. All right. However, what we know about him, he probably would be good for the United States. If you into that, so whether you Democrat or Republican, he probably would be the best person for the position. That I would say due to his history. All right. His uncle was a president, and I think his father was a senator or something like that. But they both got assassinated. His father got assassinated, but his uncle got assassinated first, and his uncle was the president. So very interesting, huh? That they have a son and a nephew on the rise. What Kennedy didn't tell the crowd was that his family had invested in Bitcoin recently, according to a financial disclosure form he filed June 30th. On the 12th page of the report, Kennedy lists a broker's account that helped, just read that. Hours after publications of that, he told that the situation could represent a conflict of interest if Kennedy were towing Bitcoin on the campaign trail while his immediate family helped the cryptocurrency. According to Virginia Cantor, the chief ethics counsel for watchdog group Citizens for Responsibility in Ethics in Washington, there's no conflict here. She told CNBC in a follow-up interview, since the conference, Kennedy has continued to tote Bitcoin. In late June, he tweeted, Bitcoin is not only a bulwark against terrorism and the manipulation of our money supply, it points the way towards a future in which government institutions are more transparent and more democratic. The tweet includes a video of part of his Miami speech where he describes how he would be pro-Bitcoin as president. Now, that could be a strategy, too, for him to get more young voters to vote for him. All right, and get more voters, period, because it's people in the United States are dealing with crypto, and that could be a campaign thing. You know what I'm saying? Him willing to do that, or him even saying that. The filing says the Bitcoin holding made less than $201 in income, but doesn't say when it was purchased. Nor does the filing say who purchased it, or how much the family may have spent on their original investment. It also doesn't say whether they sold their Bitcoin holding. The Bitcoin holder is listed under a section on the form that includes assets that can also belong to spouses and dependent children. It is intended to reflect holdings from the president calendar year and current year to filing date. According to the Office of Government Ethics, Kennedy is married to Curb Your Enthusiasm star Cheryl Hines and has 6 children. Kennedy signed the file disclosure form to the Office of Government Ethics at the end of last month, according to the document. After CNBC made multiple attempts to get a comment, the Kennedy campaign said hours after the publication of this story that the investment was not his, but his wife. He is not involved in her investment decision. The campaign did not say for how long Hines helped the Bitcoin investment or when she purchased the Bitcoin. Listen, family. Why is this so critical? Listen what they're saying. They don't know how long. They don't know how much income was made from it. They don't know when they bought it. They don't know what the income off of it is. It looked like $210. What is that telling y'all? We're not just bringing you this just for information. I picked this article specifically this morning because I wanted to show the power of Bitcoin. And I knew that the article was going to really show the power in the unregulated and the uncontrolled cryptocurrency, especially when it's talking about Bitcoin, the number one. Now, I wanted to show this to all of the doubters, all of the naysayers, all of the skeptical, procrastinating people that, listen, cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange. Now, it has that stock market asset appreciation aspect to it, where you get a coin for one price, it has the potential to go up, but that's due to inflation. That's due to a whole lot of other factors, the utility of these coins that will make these coins go up from where you bought it at. So most people get into crypto because they're trying to get rich. They're trying to buy low, sell high. But people like Robert Kiyosaki, people like myself, people like Mike Malone's of the world, the people that know the Robert Kennedy Jr.'s of the world, the ones who know that it's a medium of exchange. We are not in crypto for it to go up. That's cool if it do. If you get a coin for pennies and then it explodes to dollars, then that's cool. You feel what I'm saying? Now, yes, we have that, but I have Bitcoin, and I literally use Bitcoin for everyday purchases, grocery store shopping, mall shopping, paying rent, paying car notes, paying bills, paying expenses. I use Bitcoin. You feel what I'm saying? I use Bitcoin. Now, lately, I have been getting a lot of more USD Tether, so I don't use my Bitcoin as much, but I will use it. But I do have a coin, the G999 coin, in the Lydian State of Coin that I hold in, not in just hopes that it go up, but I'm holding it because I am in the system. I'm a product of this system, and I understand the future of where these coins are going and what we're going to be able to do with these coins. So that's why I hold those two coins, G999 coin and the Lydian State of Coin. The rest of the coins I really care nothing about. I use them as everyday income, everyday money. So with that being said, family, let's go and take a look at our Elemental certificates. But we got a quick commercial break while we bring this up. So let us have this break about our blockchain so you can see what's going on, and then we're going to show you these Elemental certificates and what you can do by and how you can grow your money, you know what I'm saying, over the blockchain in crypto, not in cash. So let us take this commercial break and we'll be right back.
Introducing our revolutionary new blockchain that combines the power of data storage, telecommunication, real estate, and finance into one seamless platform. The Ultimate Avalanche Fork, developed to be faster, more secure, and more versatile than ever before. Our innovative technology allows users to easily create and manage smart contracts, participate in decentralized businesses, and take advantage of a truly decentralized ecosystem. With our blockchain, anyone can create and manage their own smart contracts, making it easy to build and deploy tailor-made solutions for businesses and individuals. Plus, users are rewarded for generating transactions, incentivizing engagement, and creating a thriving, interconnected network.
All right, family. So let's pull this up, family. Let's go into the GS Partners platform. So here we are. So here's the GS Partners platform. We call these commercials, family. We have them all the time. Well, we are being notified by the system, by the corporate team, that we have certain things going on, whether it's incentive, whether it's stuff like this, right? Whether it's anything like this. Now, hold on 1 second. Let's do some. Well, we hold stuff like this. So we call these commercials. So we got a couple of commercials here. So we also have just brought on into our ecosystem Swiss Valorian Bank, and now we're opening up these Swiss Valorian bank accounts. Nothing is happening over there, but we are opening them up. I was one of the first ones to be able to do that. I have already done it, but I'm still getting a commercial. Here's a commercial here that is showing that pop-up that is showing that when you do when you do Meta Portfolio, that you have to set your risk tolerance. You got to do conservative, medium, or high, because this is crypto trading. The trading market and it fluctuates. So you can set your risk tolerance. I got all my certificates that I got Meta Portfolio in set on high. Here's an event tomorrow. We will not be on here tomorrow because we have an event with some of our advisory team, with the corporate trainer, Mr. Bruce Hughes. He's going to be hosting, but we do going to have for some of the companies that's in the conglomerate, we're going to have some of their advisory board members on the call tomorrow. So this is a very, very big call, very important call. So if you're available, make sure you get with the person that share this with you so you can get set and go. For you can understand and learn more about the ecosystem, come and meet and hear from some of the people that's behind making all of, I'm not going to call it magic. It's just that since we don't know how to grow money, we don't know anything about this type of way to grow money, we think it's magic and we think it's something unheard of. If you go to Wall Street, if you go to Switzerland, and you go to all of these other places, if you talk to them, they would tell you what their rewards is on their money. So here we go to GS Partners platform. So now we got another update here. So we are notified everything is going on over here. We are encountering delays on Tron and TRC20 deposits and will draw because of a network update. So this is going on, letting us know it's a network update that has nothing to do with us, but we are aware because we have Tron and we also have Tron Tether, which you see right here, this third currency right here at the top. So on here now, we have multiple different cryptocurrencies that we get paid in, and we get paid instantly in these cryptocurrencies. I can even see how long it's been since it's been 12 minutes since I've been paid. All right. So I have been paid since we've been on this stream a couple times. All right. So this is the notification bell, and it shows as commissions come in real time. Now, this is an international blockchain business platform. It's called IBBP. So over here, we can see a whole host of stuff. We can see how much volume, where I'm at to the next rank, how far I am, how much volume the team has did in total. So it shows that. So right now, us as a team, we have done over $424,872.77 in crypto transactions this month. And it's just the 11th day of the month. So we are definitely doing good. We did over 900,000 last month, but we looking to eclipse that. We're looking like we're going to eclipse that. So in the ecosystem, it's many ways that you can get paid. All right. But the easiest way that you can get paid is for you to just put some of your money to work and get you an Elemental certificate. So since I am not a new member, I only have 8 choices. I have 250 USDT. Now, this is in crypto rewards. Everything is in crypto rewards. It's crypto in, crypto out. We don't do nothing with fiat currency. You will not receive fiat currency from us. You will not put in cryptocurrency from us. I mean, you would not put in fiat currency from us. You will put in crypto, you will receive crypto. So if you want to get in here, you have to learn how to acquire crypto. And it's 10 cryptos that you can use to purchase the certificate and to put the work. 10 of them. All right. I can go through all 10, but just to name the top ones, you can use Bitcoin, you can use Ethereum, you can use USD Tether, and you can use Binance BNB. Just to name the top 4. All right. Now, if you are a new member in your 30 days, there's a certificate called Terra. So you have 9 options where you can take 100 USDT and put it to work. Now, how do the sectors work and how do the certificates work? So let's click on the WIN certificate. So say you was to get the WIN certificate. What you would get is, first of all, you would put in 2,500 USDT you would purchase the certificate, then you would have the certificate. But nothing would be happening until you put in another 2,500 into one of the 6 sectors. You can do all 6 or you can do one, but you a minimum you have to do one, and you will receive weekly payback rewards on the price if you were to do fintech. So you got 2,500 USDT, that's the certificate, and you load another 2,500 USDT. So that's you out of pocket 5,000 USDT. All right, 2,500 is the price. 2,500 USDT goes into fintech as a load/deposit. Okay, once you do that and that fintech is loaded fully, it generates or it activates a weekly payback reward, 5% for 1 year, for 52 weeks on the price, 2,500. So what happened with the other 2,500 in fintech? Well, that 2,500 is going to pay you, you would get a monthly payback reward of 1.5% on that 2,500 for 24 months. So when that ends, you will get that 2,500 back. You already will have your weekly rewards, and you had an option to compound or withdraw. You will get that you will get that $2,500 USDT back, and you will get 8,750 USDT as a bonus for participating in the program. And you can do renewables, real estate, meta portfolio, supplements, gaming, and it'll actually take you up to weekly rewards up to 22%. Up to 22%. So if I go to my certificate, is what we mean. So look here, I have 19 certificates, and I have 15 of them that are not loaded. I only have 4 of these new ones loaded, and they are ready to compound and withdraw right now as we speak. So here's the win certificate. I do have a win certificate that I haven't put anything into yet, so I'm not being paid. But I got 1 year to load up as many sectors as I want. I load up just one to get the rewards out. Got 1 whole year. All the way now, it's 11 months now. All right. I got all of these certificates, and I'm gonna load, plan on loading them. All right. So I got 4 or 5 certificates. So we have a lot over here. You feel me? And the certificates that I do have loaded, they are ready to withdraw or compound right now. As I go here and see, this is a 5 certificate. If I hit load now, it's going to show me that I got a weekly reward there. But I was supposed to do this on the 7th, which was Friday, but I didn't. So it just continued to pay me every day. It just added to my reward. So if I hit withdraw, let's select fintech, it will show, boom, I have $78.57 because I have went days over my 7 days. So every day you go over, then your rewards are just stacking up until you make the action. This is your account. You got to go in here and make the decision on what you want to do. You want to pull it out, withdraw. If not, it'll just continue to pay you. It'll just continue to pay you. And it's that simple. I can show that with all the certificates that I do have loaded. And we have our formal certificates that we told y'all about for more than a year, where we was receiving payback rewards weekly of 4.15% and also 1.38% for 18 months. These are still paying right now. You cannot acquire these right now unless you already have them. We had 18 months to load these. So I have about 30 of these loaded, but I do have 2 Aphrodites, which was 2,500 that I have to load if I want to get the rewards out of it. That's up to me. I think I will reload that one because of the bonus. The bonus would be $19.50. Not that big bonus, but it's a bonus. So why not? All right, but I can click here. I haven't withdraw from these since Friday either. So here's the Aphrodite that is loaded. You see the action withdraw compound. It tells me My reward is 163 USDT. 163 USDT. Then no 1 USDT is equivalent to 1 US dollar. All right. And here you can see you say select your performance. Here, this one performance is set on medium. When I get a quarterly reward, I will have to set it again, and I will set it at high. What that means, it just means that money would be leveraging more high leverage trades. So it's more risk. All right. It's more risk. So this is the power of what we have, family, and all of it is powered by what? Swiss Valorian Bank, and it's also powered and working over the blockchain. So this is how simple that we are doing. So we're showing you how to make money in crypto without buying low, selling high, and without you having to trade yourself. And you will make money weekly, monthly, quarterly. And if you refer others, you will make money daily. So with that being said, family, thank y'all for tuning in. We will be back Thursday morning for a brand new crypto morning. And if you want to know more about what's going on tonight, we have a live Project Exodus 10,000 event going on tonight at 7:30. If you want a one-on-one, if you want a private presentation, then you can go and book that private presentation with me or get with the person that shared this with you. But just simply go to www.forwardmoney.net and book a private meeting with me so you can see this information more in depth. You can get your questions answered, and you can do all of that. And you can also schedule an onboarding meeting where we will get you set up with the certificates in 30 minutes. So with that being said, family, thank y'all for tuning in. But if you want to know more, if you want to book your own personal meeting, interview with me, go to www.forwardmoney.net. So with that being said, family, we want to thank everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Forward Money Network. And like I said, if you are interested, get with the person that shared this with you. You can get with me. With that being said, family, we are